Yeah, it's like I want to just like, ugh.
Yep, just keep feeling that. Go to your rib cage.
Yeah, it's still sore.
Good.
It may have been from the fall too.
Well, keep moving that energy. There you go. Okay. It's a lightning. There you go, yawning again. Okay, back to the head. Okay, does any other memories come up? Are you staring that down with your dad?
Yeah, I'll start it down.
What's that number?
About an 8.
Good job, you moved it to 2 spots already. Keep feeling it. Go to your eyebrows. There you go.
I need a Mario over here.
Nah, you're going to learn to heal yourself, or you don't need your dog, but you're going to keep him anyway. You don't have to tell him you don't need it. There you go.
So he needs the work too.
Oh, yeah, absolutely. You're making him happier every day. They're out playing, I can hear him. There you go. And looking at your dad, and the memories you had, and how they made you feel, going to your nose. There you go. Good job. And do your collarbone. How's your number?
I got 7.
Good. Stare it down. Follow that feeling. Let's do a chest thump. Feel that feeling. Is it as bad?
Yeah.
Okay.
It's worse. It's like feels more sensitive and more cringy.
Okay. We'll just do it really light. Say thank you, Spirit. Whatever it is, help us heal it. There you go. Go to your rib cage. Well, you're releasing something there. Good. Good job. Let's go up to the head. There you go. Where's your number?
It's about a 7.
Okay. Keep feeling it. This is a big one.
Mm-hmm.
Remember the last one we did with your dad was pretty big too.
Yeah, it was. It was a big trauma my whole life.
And go to your eyebrows. And did you think that it would come back as much?
Not until that video kind of triggered.
Okay, and why didn't you put your hand on your head at that moment? You did? Good job.
Yeah.
And you got all the way down 0?
No, I couldn't get it to move.
Did you hook up?
Yeah, I hooked up. I couldn't get it to go down.
Oh, okay, it wouldn't go down.
Yeah.
So it's the same as it was tonight.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, good job. Go to your cheekbones. There you go.
It's making my nose run. That's so weird.
It affects your body. You know, you keep saying maybe that spirit's showing you don't think you can heal your knee with your thoughts and your energy movement. Move your under your lip and your nose. There you go. But if it can make your nose run, make you have a headache, you know.
Yawn like crazy.
Yep. And go, yep. Collarbone. I had a girl, she got sick to her stomach.
Oh, wow.
Yep. And then she kept tapping and it finally went away. There you go. Keep feeling it. Put your knee up. Put your leg up. Put it on the table. There you go. Okay. Keep tapping. There you go. Good job. Got your rib cage. Girl, this is a big one.
Holy crap.
I know. We'll have to go back and watch this, see how many yawns you've had. There you go. Let's go to the top of the head. Thank you, Spirit, for moving this faster. Do your eyebrows. There you go. And cheekbones. Good job. Under another yawn. Under the lips. Good job. And now we're going to go to the K27, just to the outside your collarbone, down and out. Little indent. Now go to the chest thump. Keep looking at that emotion. Does that bother as much?
Yeah.
Just as much?
Yeah, it's still super
Sensitive.
yeah.
We might have to work on that separately. Okay, go to your rib cage. Where's your number?
Oh, 6.
Okay, go up to the top of your head. This one's a tough one.
Yeah, it is.
You've been yawning a lot. Keep looking at that emotion.
Yeah, the whole thing with my dad is just, it's huge.
Right. People don't understand how we can be impacted by the slightest things.
Mm-hmm.
Good.
And it's layered over the years.
Mm-hmm. Eyebrows. Good job. Well, you're releasing a lot, so that's good.